People using TCX converter to update the altitude are facing problems in updating the altitude. This is because we do not follow the proper and correct procedure to update the altitude. In this video, I am going to demonstrate an easy and correct method to update the altitude without octype error. All you have to do is to open Google Earth Pro software so that we may add a path for which elevation is required. You have to select add path button, and then you can select any name for this path, and you can also choose different colors for this path. After this, press and hold the left button of your mouse to mark the path for which elevation is required. Once you have marked this path, press OK button. After this, you have to locate the path from the places and right click the path and press save place as. After this, you have to locate or create some folder to save this file. Remember, this file should be saved in KML file format, not in KMZ file format. So you have to select KML and then press save button. As you can see, the folder I created is now having a KML file that I have just saved from Google Earth. After this, you have to open any internet browser and search for GPS visualizer elevation and click the first link, which is also given in description. After this, you have to upload a file that you have just saved from Google Earth. For this, you have to select choose file and then locate the folder in which the file was saved. After this, select the output, which should be as GPX file. Do not select plain text. Select GPX file and then click convert and add elevation. Now a GPX file is created by this site. You have to click to download this file, and then the same file would be saved in the folder with added elevation data, which may be used or which may be displayed by using TCX converter. So now you have to open the TCX converter and then click open file. After this, you have to browse the same file which we have just downloaded from GPS visualizer elevation site. Open this file and see the magic. You have seen that the elevation for each latitude and longitude is now updated. This is the correct procedure to update the altitude using TCX converter. You can also save this data by clicking save CSV file format and then locate any folder to save this CSV file and then press save button. Remember to press no for saving this CSV file. And here you can see I have saved this CSV file format, and now I am removing the other cells which are not required, and the only thing I required is the latitude, longitude and elevation data. You can use now you can use this CSV file in GIS software, also in Surfer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press bell icon.